I'm a stock investor. I play by the rules that are established by Wall Street. So I'm playing in their field, I'm playing in their stadium, and I got to follow their rules. But because of their rules, there's one day that's coming up this week that I'm in control. That's right, I'm in control. And I want to talk to you about that, and it involves your favorite stock, Tesla. So let's see how we can kind of turn the tables on Wall Street one day this coming Friday.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor, built one of the largest financial planning practices in the United States and sold it back in 2005. Started this channel in 2011 and wanted to share my knowledge. And I think I understand the game a little bit better because I've studied the rules, and most people don't study the rules, but we've got something happening coming up here on Friday, December the 18th. It's a game in which the S&P is taking in Tesla. Now, the S&P 500, as you might guess, consists of 500 stocks, and a panel decides who are in those stocks. And they made a decision last month that they were going to add Tesla to that group of stocks, and they were going to take out this apartment rental company. That decision was just made this last week. And so they have been told, everybody that has an S&P fund, and that's a lot of mutual funds and ETFs, and there's a total, I think they said something like $4 trillion worth of Tesla stock that is being tracked by these various funds. And on December the 18th, they are required to make 1% of their portfolio Tesla. So they got to get rid of the one stock and they got to buy the other. Well, what if I refuse to sell them my Tesla stock? What? I own it. It's mine. But they have a rule that says on Friday they got to buy so many shares, and it's estimated to be, I think, $100 billion worth of stock will change hands on Friday. What if I refuse to sell it? What if they come to me and say, hey, Kerry, yesterday on Thursday, the stock closed at $610 and we'll give you $610. The hell you will. I'm not giving it to you. No, I'm not selling it. I won't sell it to you for anything less than $1,000. What if that happened? They don't have a choice. They got to give me the $1,000 because the rules say on Monday, December the 21st, when the market opens, they have to have Tesla in their index, 500 index fund, or they don't qualify. That's what the rules say. Okay, then whatever I demand for my stock is what they have to pay. It's just like, what was it, in 1637 when the price of tulips went crazy because the people who had the tulip bulbs refused to sell them? So for one day, the tulip bulb people were in control. Same thing's happening. It's not unusual. Hell, every year we have a Super Bowl. What do they have? 110,000 tickets for the Super Bowl. And once they're sold, then they're sold. So what happens? The internet fills up with scalpers. Outside the stadium, there's people standing with their tickets. And if the ticket cost says on the thing $500, is that what they sell it for? No. They might get $2,000 for it. Hey, they make the rules. We have to play by them. I don't know. Maybe I'm naive. Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they can force me to sell my Tesla stock. Well, then they're going to have to come to my door and take it from me. because I'm not going to sell it to them. If they offer me $700 for it, and the day before, Thursday night, it closed at 6:50, I won't take it. I won't take it. Now, you might be greedy, but I'll ask you, if you do take it, are you going to have to pay capital gains on it? Are you going to have to give 35% of it to the government? Then why would you do it? Why would you do it? Now, if it's in a qualified fund, okay, you might make that extra $50. But then where are you going to put it? Where are you going to put it that's going to have a more dynamic growth potential than in Tesla? You tell me. Oh, I think there's some biotech stocks, but you got to pick those, and you got to figure which ones those are. No, this is a mistake. But they control the game. Wall Street controls the game every day, 365 days a year. But on December the 18th, the control just shifted. If you like football, the momentum just moved in my direction. So, how much am I going to take for it? I've gone public. My shares are for sale. Yeah, my shares are for sale at $1,000 a piece. So, you know where you can find me. I doubt if you've seen a video quite like this before. And that's kind of because I've got a little bit of history behind me. I've seen this game played before. I saw the dot-com bubble, and I've seen the subprime crisis, and I've seen stocks go crazy up, and I see these slacks and smacks and IPOs and short sales, and we're at the mercy. Okay, we're at the mercy of the quantum computers and the professionals. But one day, we're in control. This is fun. So I want to get this out to you because I want you to recognize what's going to happen. Now, I've put this out on my Discord. I did it on Sunday. And people, we bantered back and forth, Spike and I, and he said, well, yeah, but people are going to sell it. Why? Why are you going to give them what they want? You own it. It's yours. You're in control this one day. Okay. As I say, we talk about things like this on our Discord. If you want to get there, go to bestofusinvestorsrighthere.com. We're building a new website, but it's functional now that it'll give you an opportunity to give me your name and your email address, and then I'll send you a link to the Discord, or if you want to, just go down into the description and you'll find a link to the Discord. And we've got there's about 7,000 people here who share ideas and talk about things like this. I mean, what better thing do you have to do on a Sunday than talk about the opportunity of a lifetime when you control Wall Street? I haven't seen this before.